Hello everyone, myself Ketan Bhavsar, Assistant Professor in LJ Engineering College, Ahmedabad, in VLSI Design, Unit number 1, Session 3. In this session, we discuss about hierarchy, regularity, modularity and locality. In previous session, we discussed about VLSI design flow, how VLSI technology is working and importance of verification after each and every stage like circuit level verification, designing level verification and etc. And also in Y chart, we discuss a main three domain: behavioral domain, structural domain and geometrical layout domain. In this session, we discuss about first hierarchy. What exactly design hierarchy is? The use of hierarchy or divide and conquer technique involve dividing a module into submodules and then repeating this operation on the submodules until the complexity of the smaller part becomes manageable. Suppose if you are designing any large project or any large designing in terms of software and hardware, then you have to divide your projects into the smaller parts to reduce the complexity for the designer. This approach is very similar to the software case where large programs are split into smaller and smaller sections until simple subroutines with well-defined functions and interfaces can be written. As you can see, we are taking one example of 4-bit adder. For reducing the complexity of 4-bit adder, we divide the adder into the smaller parts. So it became 1-bit adder, 1-bit adder, 1-bit adder and 1-bit adder. So the complexity of the programming side or as well as for the hardware side, it can be reduced with help of the dividing the 4-bit adder. As I already explained you the 4-bit adder, for reduce the complexity we divide into the 1-bit adder, and also you can see we take a separate carry and sum of the circuit. At this low level of the hierarchy, the design of a simple circuit realizing a well-defined Boolean function is much more easier to handle than at the high level of the hierarchy. So if you divide your circuit into the smaller parts, then your circuit will be well manageable. You can easily detect the fault and also you can try to solve it as much as possible, and also it reduces your time complexity. So because of that reason, hierarchies play a main role to divide your large circuit or your large program into the smaller section. Regularity. The hierarchical design approach reduces the design complexity by dividing the large system into the several submodules. Regularity means that the hierarchical decomposition of a large system should result in not only simple but also in similar block as much as possible. Now we understood with one concept. Regularity can exist at all level of abstraction. At the transistor level, uniformly sized transistor simplify the design. Regularity usually reduces the number of different modules that need to be designed and verified at all level of abstraction. As you can see, what exactly the regularity is. Suppose you have a 4-bit adder, then you have to divide the adder into the 2-bit adder, 2-bit adder, or you can divide in 1-bit adder equally in 4 parts. So it's equal to 4-bit adder. Not irregularity means what? Suppose you have to design a 4-bit adder, so you cannot implement 3-bit adder and 1-bit adder because it's not a linear way. So it's not in regularity manner. Or you cannot implement 2-bit adder and 1-bit adder, 1-bit adder separately because it's not in regular manner. What exactly the regularity is? Definitely with help of the hierarchy you can simplify your circuit, but with help of the regularity you have to make a system simple or as well as in linear format. Fine. If you are in not regularity manner, then ultimately it increase your software skill, or we can say that increase your time complexity and programming complexity. So it's a best example of regularity. Now we discuss about the modularity. Modularity in design means that the various functional blocks which make the large system must have a well-defined function and interfaces. So if you design any large system, like we already see one example of 4-bit adder, then with help of the hierarchy you divide the 4-bit adder into the 1-bit adder parts. But each and every 1-bit adder should work perfectly. Fine. So it's a best example of a modularity. If each and every 1-bit adder work perfectly, then and only then it will generate a 4-bit error or 4-bit adder output. Modularity allows that each block or modules can be designed relatively independently from each other, since there is no ambiguity about the function and the signal interface of this block. Fine, they design independently from each other. All the blocks can be combined with A's at the end of the design process. You can design each and every modules independently, and at the end of the design you have to make a combination sig of each and every design, or we can say that combine each and every adder or design to make a large system. The concept of modularity enables the parallelizations of the design process. So what exactly the meaning of parallelization means? What it increase or it reduce your time complexity or increase your performance speed as compared to serial communication, or we can say that the serialization. It also allows the use of genetic modules in various design. The well-defined functionality and signal interfaces allow plug-and-play design. See, the genetic modules we can implement with a Xilinx or with help of the VHDL and Verilog programming. Fine. So we can design a plug and play system with help of the modularity. And plug and play system, it is possible only if your each and every modules work perfectly. So as you can see, the 4-bit adder, each and every modules can work perfectly. If this adder work perfectly, if this adder work perfectly, if this adder work perfectly, this adder work perfectly, then and only then 4-bit adder can generate a specific or perfect result. Fine. So each and every module should work perfectly. The concept of locality also ensures that the connections are mostly between the neighboring modules, avoiding the long distance connection as much as possible. See, basically, locality generally ensures that the connection between the neighboring modules means you can connect. Definitely with help of the hierarchy you can divide the data. With help of the regularity you can make a similarity of each and every one, and with help of the modularity you can check each and every module work perfectly. But in terms of the locality you can make a connections as neighboring as possible, so you can avoid noise problem or as well as you can avoiding the short circuit problem. Fine. So as you can see, the neighboring connection means each and every connection should be in neighboring manner. You can connect this adder with this adder. You can make connection of this adder with this adder. You can make this adder with this adder also, but it ultimately add the noise or as well as the complexity for the user. So in next session, we work on VLSI design style, FPGA design, gate array design, standard cell based design, and full custom design. Fine. So in next section we are work on VLSI design style. There are the different types of VLSI design style: the field programmable, gate array, what is gate array, standard set, and full custom. So I hope you like this session, and if you have any doubt then you can contact me. So thank you very much.